Welcome to Lisbon.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Hold on. Did I see you at the airport?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah. Maria.
Maria, Sergii, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hey, do you mind being recorded for the YouTube channel?
What YouTube channel?
It's called Sergii Speaks. I travel around the world and I help people to improve their English, where I walk and talk and describe things, talk about people's life. If you don't mind, we could walk around the city if you have time and talk about your life.
Yeah, sure. I'm on the way to the flea market, so you can join me.
Oh, perfect. I'll join you. Let's do that.
So, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about
And
yourself.
what you're doing.
Yeah, let's see, what am I doing? I'm recording video for the YouTube channel called Sergii Speaks, where we help people to improve their English by using comprehensible method, a comprehensible input way of learning English, which
Okay.
means where we walk and describe. This is a sidewalk and this is the road, and cars and bikes are usually going through the road and people are walking, or people usually walk through the sidewalk. And people from all over the world, especially from Brazil, India, South Korea, Vietnam, United States, and Japan, are watching our videos and improving their English by listening to us and watching our actions.
That's cool.
So that's what we do. Let me hide the camera in the shade so
That
you guys.
means I can learn also today something.
You're
Because
in-
I'm also trying to improve my English.
Your English is awesome,
We only talked 2 minutes.
but it's still awesome. I can already hear that.
Thank you.
Where did you learn English?
In school. Yeah, in school. I don't know from which grade, but I guess it's like from 4th or 3rd grade.
Fourth,
in
third
Germany.
grade?
Yeah. I'm not sure, to be honest. Could be also a lie. I have to Google this. When did you learn English, or how?
I wasn't good with English until I moved to United States in 2009.
Ah,
Even in
so you-
2009, my English sucked, to be honest. And sucked means it was pretty bad. Let's say it that way.
Good. Yeah.
And when I moved to US and started working on a farm as a farm boy, I started improving my English on a daily basis. And by the way, there is a video right here where I have shared my story and explained how did I learn English. But generally speaking, I would, number one, talk to people. Number two, watch cartoons, such as Toy Story, because cartoons are using very simple English. Shall we
This is a good
shall we
tip.
go straight or to the right?
We can go to the right, yeah.
Awesome. Cartoons are using very simple language, and that helps people to start with the basic words. Like right here on this channel, I try not to speak very fast and I try to speak very clearly so people could understand me and learn English by listening to me and to you today.
Okay, then I'm trying also to slow it down and to speak clearer.
There we go, you got it. Whew, we've been walking fast.
It's warm, but it's nice.
It is, I love it.
It could be worse, to be honest.
Yeah, we could be in Poland or Germany.
Yeah, that's true.
That would be much colder, not worse. I like those countries for different reasons. I wonder where are these people from? Let me ask them.
Yeah.
Excuse me, lady, where are you from? Where are you from?
Guinea-Bissau.
Where from?
Guinea-Bissau.
Guinea-Bissau? Oh, nice. That's awesome. Nice meeting you. Have a good one. I did not understand that, but you guys tell. Did you?
Neither, no.
I think it's African country, starts with G. Guinea-Bissau. What could that be? You guys let me know in the comments below. We'll find out after you tell us. We will speak slow, we will walk fast, which is just a habit. And by the way, a habit is something that you got used to, something that you're doing over and over again. For example, workout is a good habit. Smoking is a bad habit. Do you smoke?
No,
Awesome. Because that's a bad habit.
that's true. Do you smoke?
Not at all. Every single day I do a lot of things. I record a lot of videos. I answer a lot of comments on the YouTube. And quick reminder for you guys to hit the like button, to subscribe to our channel, and also to leave a comment right below this video and tell us, where are you really from? If you would want to change your life, if you want to change your country, which country would you love to live in?
Good question.
And why?
Good question. Right now I'm traveling some Europe countries to see where I like to live or where I would love to live later. So I've been to Italy and Spain and France for now, and Portugal today.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, for now I really like Italy because I lived there last year for 3 months. And I've been to 2 cities, Rome and Venice, and I really liked it. So I saw the city life and also the countryside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
Oh,
So
nice.
I think for now I really like Italy. It's on my top list. What about you?
That's a good question. I've spent 10 years of my life in Los Angeles, California, and I love that place. But now I'm a person of the world. I love traveling, meeting people on the street,
Yeah, true.
recording videos instantly, and I don't want to settle down right now. I want to keep traveling, seeing the world. Maybe one day I will feel like that's enough.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm still hungry for travels.
I mean, you're still young, and I think you can always travel. Doesn't matter age. So, good decision.
Yes.
So, what would you say? What is your favorite country you've been to, and which country would you like to visit next? And why?
That's a good question. Favorite one is most likely Switzerland.
Okay.
This summer I went to Switzerland and I lived literally 2 minutes of walking from the lake, and the other way, if I would walk for 2 minutes, I would be in the mountains.
Oh, which city you lived in?
Next to Geneva Lake.
Okay.
It's a little town next to a city called Montreux,
Oh yeah, yeah.
which is a musical capital of Switzerland, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
And they have a jazz festivals every year, and I was lucky to get there
That's cool.
for the time of the jazz festival.
That's cool.
So that's why Switzerland. And where I want to travel is Brazil,
Brazil.
India, South Korea, Vietnam. Those countries that our viewers are mostly visiting us from. I want to visit them, and especially Brazil. I have a lot of friends in Brazil who I promised to visit 13 years ago or 14 years ago, and I have not visited them yet.
That's not good.
It is not good. So
That's
you
not
guys from Brazil, you leave a comment below and tell me where exactly in Brazil I should go to, except of Rio and São Paulo, as those two are 2 largest cities in Brazil. I know in Brazil they have desert lakes. I will add a picture of them right here. Those desert lakes are pretty much tiny lakes in a desert.
Wow.
After the rain season,
Yeah.
they get a lot of water in the desert,
Yeah.
and it looks so amazing that I want to go there and record quite a few videos. What else we have in Brazil? Floripa or Florianópolis, which is the south side of Brazil. And the south side means the bottom. North means up. On the south side of Brazil, it's just like Florida, but it's a Brazilian Florida called Floripa.
We need to go there.
We need to cross the road, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's cross the road. Is there a crosswalk here? Oh yeah, there's a crosswalk. That is called a crosswalk, a place where you can cross the road.
What is the average age of your viewers?
The average age of our viewers is 25 or 26.
Oh, okay. Okay, so my age.
Yeah, so from 24 until 34, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Okay, that's cool.
Pretty young zillennials.
What year are you from?
What year I was born?
Yeah.
I was born in 1990.
1990.
And all of the digits that I was born in are ending with zeros. 10, 30, 90.
Oh, so happy belated birthday.
Oh, thank you. It was just a couple of weeks ago, October 30th. If you guys want to say something for my birthday, you say it right below this video so we could get more traction. And I'm saying that not because I just want to get some comments from you. If you leave a comment for me, YouTube will see that more people are leaving comments below our videos, and YouTube algorithms will pick them up and push this video even more, make it more popular so other people from your country and the other countries could see it as well and improve their English. This looks very, what do you call it? Aesthetic?
Aesthetic.
I love it. It's like Italy, Portugal, Spain, the tiny house with a lot of people are drying their clothes outside on a balcony. Yeah, it's interesting that in Portugal, they put tiles everywhere. Almost every single building has a lot of tiles, pretty much covered with tiles.
I saw that when I did my research for Lisbon, my travel, I saw that they also have courses where you can paint tiles.
Paint tiles?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's really nice. I mean,
I'm not sure I want to do it, but it's interesting to know.
Why not?
Let me see if your mic is working. It's working.
Perfect.
Why not? Well, it's awesome to be able to paint tiles, but I would rather travel and record videos.
Okay. Yeah. But you can record
how I'm painting.
How you're painting
tiles.
See?
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Talking about a sea, have you heard of a seafood diet?
Seafood diet? Yes. Not seafood diet, but...
Let's go that way.
There?
Yeah.
So...
Seafood diet.
No.
Okay.
I mean, I heard something similar, but not seafood diet exactly.
So seafood diet means you eat food only when you see it. If you see food, you eat food.
Oh, wow.
If you don't see food, you don't eat food.
No, but I heard about a special diet from people that live in Sicily or in this area.
Oh. And they only eat seafood?
I don't know what they're eating, but I have to Google again.
Nice. I've been here.
Yeah?
This summer.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I've been here a couple of times. I used to work on that side in a co-working place next to the sea. And by the way, I've recorded this video right here next to that co-working space. So where do we go from here?
Okay, so there have constructions over here. So this means the road is blocked. So we have... Oh no, I think you can go up there. We can try. If not, we just return.
Portugal. I love Portuguese language, but Brazilian Portuguese. Yeah.
What's the difference?
The difference is huge in my opinion. In my opinion, you don't tell that to people from Portugal, okay? Shh. Brazilian Portuguese is very expressive, very charismatic, very sexy language. Because whenever you speak Brazilian Portuguese, you say, beleza, meu nome é Sergii, muito prazer. And when I hear people from Portugal speaking Portuguese, to me it sounds like people from Spain learned Brazilian Portuguese and speak Brazilian Portuguese with a Spanish accent. I'm sorry if I've hurt someone's feelings, but it's just what I think. And I love Brazilian Portuguese. I think this is the sexiest language in the world, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Which is the most attractive language in the world? I guess a lot of people are going to say French. I'm pretty sure so.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. For me, not.
What's your favorite language?
My favorite language? Good. I would say my mother tongue.
Your mother tongue?
Russian.
Russian language?
Yes.
You were born in which part of Ukraine were you born?
I was born in Luhansk. No, I wasn't born. I was raised in Luhansk, but I was born in Germany.
That makes sense. Luhansk is next to the border with Russia. That's why majority of people do speak Russian language there.
Yeah, it depends on the family what they speak
Oh yeah,
internally. Let's say it like this.
internally in the family. It's getting hot. I'm sweating.
Getting
I'm
hot in
sweating a
here.
little bit.
Portuguese cuisine.
Nice. You wanna get
car.
some food?
Later, I think.
Sounds
For
good.
sure.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get some water and food.
Okay, we need to go there.
Sure, let's come back. Let's turn around.
Let's turn
Which means-
around.
We're going that way and now we're turning around and going back. That means to turn around and go backward. Go the other way. It looks like a movie to me.
There's the sea.
Oh
You
yeah,
can see in between the buildings.
you can partially see a sea.
Haha, seafood.
Take a look at Portugal. You can feel the history behind here. I've talked to someone today about what's the most popular country in Arabic region.
Dubai?
Dubai, yeah, in the city of Dubai. And the girl said that Dubai has no history. It's a new city. You go there, you travel for a couple of days, it's awesome. But there is no reason to live there unless you want to save money on tax.
I totally agree.
But here you walk through, you feel the history. You smell the history.
You sweat the history.
You sweat the history if you walk like us all day long. Look at this car. Not this car, but that car right there. It's quite old. What are these called? Tuk-tuks?
Tuk-tuks, yeah.
From Thailand
But
or India?
I only saw them in Asia.
That's what our viewers from YouTube said on a video from New York City, right here. They said like, why are there so many tuk-tuks in New York City? It's not Thailand. It's not India. Look at those girls.
Look at this view.
That's pretty. Those girls are having fun sitting on their butts. To sit on your butt means to sit on this one.